Today, I am going to show you how to make hot and iced Spanish latte using a 3-cup mocha pot. If you haven't yet seen any of my previous video tutorials on how to make coffee drinks using mocha pots, then please check out the link above. For today's video clip, I am going to use a 3-cup mocha pot. Now, what is a 3-cup mocha pot? And what is a 4-cup, 1 cup, and how is it measured? The cup number is actually depending on how much is the yield of the coffee that you get when you brew your coffee using the mocha pot. In a 3-cup mocha pot, the yield is about 90 milliliters and 1 cup is measured as 30 milliliters. So it's like 1 espresso shot. If your yield is about 90 milliliters from this brew, then you can make 3 cups of 30 milliliter each coffee, and then you can make that as a base for all the drinks that you're going to make. For today, I'm going to make a 6 ounces hot Spanish latte, and I'm going to use 1 cup or 30 milliliters of my coffee brewed from the mocha pot, and I'm going to make iced Spanish latte, and for this I am going to use 60 milliliters or 2 cups of coffee brewed from this mocha pot. What are the ingredients to make Spanish latte? We are going to make use of fresh milk, any milk of choice. We are going to use condensed milk because the Spanish latte is sweetened with condensed milk. I'm going to use my medium roast coffee beans here, 100% Arabica. It is the house blend. For those that are brewing coffee using the mocha pot at home, the tendency is not to have coffee grinders, so you buy ground coffee. I'm using medium grind coffee here. For the milk, I'm going to use the microwave to warm my milk and then froth it using my electric milk frother. So let's start by preparing our hot Spanish latte. For those that would like to use the crema valve, let me take you through the process again. So this crema valve will come with 3 rings or O-rings. If you're using a 3-cup mocha pot, I would suggest that you take out 1 of them. If you have a bigger mocha pot, then you put all of them, 3 O-rings for the mocha pot, but because I'm using a 3-cup, then I will take out 1 and I will only use 2. Take off the pot. Insert the crema valve at the bottom here, this way, so the rings inside, and then push it slightly and then put the filter back on and the rubber gasket. To make it simpler, I'm going to use warm water just up to the level indicated in the boiler. Fill the basket with coffee, place it in the boiler, and then lock the pot on. Place the pot onto the preheated hot plate. Whilst waiting for my coffee to brew, I'm going to prepare my drink. Add about 10 to 15 grams of sweetened condensed milk into your serving cup. Set it aside. Warm your milk and foam or froth using the milk frother. So as you can see, it's starting to come out now. I'm going to take it off the heat and I'm going to reduce the heat on my electric hot plate. Pour about 30 milliliters of brewed coffee into the serving cup, mixed with the condensed milk, and then pour the foamed milk into the cup. Latte art is optional. Do it if you can. If not, it's perfectly fine. It's your Spanish latte using the mocha pot. Next, let's prepare our iced Spanish latte. For the iced Spanish latte, I need 30 to 40 grams of my sweetened condensed milk at the bottom of the cup. Pour the rest of the coffee in. This should be about 60 to 75 grams of brewed coffee. Stir to combine. Add the ice. Pour about 90 milliliters of milk. Top it up with milk foam. The idea is not to overwhelm the drink with too much milk, and use milk foam instead. So this is how you present your Spanish latte. You have the coffee layer there, and then the milk, and then the foam. so that when you stir this drink, they should perfectly balance each other. If you would like to know the recipe for 16 ounces and 22 ounces iced Spanish latte, do check out the description box below because I'm going to put the full recipe there. Don't forget to click that subscribe button for more of these video tutorials. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.